Nothing phone 1, but there is many things to talk about. Assalamu alaikum Bangladesh. Hope you all are quite well. Related Eid Mubarak to all of you and a very warm welcome to Rahat Tech Zone's new and very special video. This is Rahat back to you with an international video. Today I will talk about the most hyped phone of 2022, and that is Nothing Phone 1. The phone had been launched on 12th July in India, Europe, and also very specially in Bangladesh. So the pre-order will start from 25th of July, and Contrivance has brought nothing in Bangladesh officially. And I don't know the exact price of this phone, but I think the price should be around 40 to 45,000 taka, because the base variant of Nothing Phone 1 which launched in India was around 33,000 rupees. So in my point of view, the price should be around 40 to 45,000 taka, but it is an average price, not a very good price and not a very bad price, because in this configuration there are many phones available in Bangladesh market unofficially. So in my opinion, the price should be around 38 to 39,000, but no matter, the price is not a fact. 1-2,000 is not a fact, I think, but there are many highlighting part of this phone, like its semi-transparent design, and also its clean nothing OS is a very highlighting part, and there is a glyph effect in the rear, so it looks very beautiful, and the design is almost like iPhone 12, because the designer of Nothing Phone 1 is Tony Fadell, the designer of iPhone. So it is similar like iPhone, symmetrical display, boxy shaped design, and dual camera setup. It's, I think, very good. And today we will discuss about the phone and we'll say that you should buy it or not. So I hope you will watch the full video and like the video. If you do not like it, this channel is not so important that you have to subscribe. So without any wastage of time, let's start the video. So at first let's talk about the box. The box is very different and wide box. So the box at first differentiate the phone with other brands. After unboxing this, you will get two compartments. In the first compartment you will get the phone, and in the second compartment you will get some documentation which you won't read, I think. Then you will get a USB type C cable. Then last you will get a SIM ejection pin. There is no case or adapter in the box. So after getting the phone, I think you will firstly notice the design. The design of the phone is very different, and especially the semi-transparent design is very good, I think. And you will see only the wireless coils and other secondary materials in transparent. So I think the design is very different. Then let's talk about the ports and buttons. In the lower side you will get a USB type C cable, speaker grill, and SIM card slot, and it is a dual nano SIM card slot. In the upper side you will get noise cancellation microphone and speaker grill. It means it has a dual stereo speaker. Then in the right side you will get the power on off button and left volume rocker. So I think there should be a 3.5mm jack. The weight of the phone is almost 195 grams, so it is not so heavy or not so light, and I think the in-hand feel is very good and build quality is awesome. The frame of the phone is totally aluminum built and it's a recycled aluminum, so I think the build quality and the design of the phone is a big thumbs up. So now let's talk about the display. The display is a very high quality display. It has 6.7-inch OLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and it has an adaptive refresh rate 1 to 120 Hz, and the display brightness is 1200 nits. So it is a very bright and very attractive display. I think you will not face any problem in direct sunlight, and in my opinion the display is also a big thumbs up. So let's talk about the performance. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus, which is based on 6nm fabrication, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is UFS 3.1. And I think it is not a high class performance based phone. The phone is for those who needs a phone with for their regular usage but not for gaming. If you are a professional high class gamer, I don't think you should buy this phone. But in multitasking this phone performs very well, and in other reviewers opinion the phone can manage all kind of multitasking. So if you are a multitasker or regular user, you can buy this phone, and in their opinion this don't heat up so very, and in my opinion now I don't think you should buy this phone if you are a professional gamer. But if you are a regular user or a multitasker, you can buy this phone. So now let's talk about the OS and other things like audio. So it has Nothing OS 1.0, Android 12 out of the box, and it is a good thing that there is no bloatwares except those Google apps. And I think it is a very good thing, because in other phone you can experience many bugs and other things. So the Nothing phone, in Nothing phone you will not experience any bugs or any unexpected things. And the glip effect and other customization, there is not much customization, but the customizations are very effective, like enlarged icon, glip effect customization, and other dotted fonts. In glip effect the customizations are very interesting. You can customize glip effects in your thinking, like when you get any call, the glip effect, the light of the rear lights up. When you charge the phone, the lights up. So I think the glip effect and other customizations and the OS is very clean, and it is a good thing that the Nothing phone has provided us these things. And then let's talk about the audio quality. In firstly I have told you that this phone has a stereo speaker, dual stereo speaker, so the speaker quality is very good, and I think you will experience a very good sound quality in this phone. The speaker is very loud, very crystal clear, and I think the speaker is a big thumbs up. So now the camera, it has dual rear camera. The main camera is 50 megapixel Sony IMX766, and the ultrawide sensor is ultrawide and macro sensor is Samsung JN1. The IMX766 is the best sensor in this budget, and the photos are really good in this sensor. Very sharp color, very punchy details, very sharp details and very punchy color. Sorry, it is a good thing that the company has provided this sensor with a very customizations or many more things. And in the ultra wide sensor it is also very good. There is a very sharp details, very punchy colors, and I think the phone the color of this ultra wide sensor is something boost up. So no matter, the photos looks very beautiful. And in video recording, in case of video recording, you can record 4K 30 fps with OIS and EIS. It is a good thing. And in selfie you will get 16 megapixel Sony IMX47 one sensor, and it is also very good. And this sensor is noticed in OnePlus phones, and you know that the founder of the Nothing company is Carl Pei, who was the co-founder of OnePlus, and there is some sort of touch of OnePlus in these phones. So I think the camera is very good in selfie camera. Selfie photos, like your selfies are very good, and in video recording you can record 1080p. And I think the phone should be HDR supported, but no matter, the photos are very good, the videos are very good. I think you will experience a very good video or photos in this phone. So now let's talk about the connectivity and sensors. There is in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock system, which in face unlock system you can unlock your phone when you are wearing mask, and it is like iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone 13 series, and it is a very good thing in Android operating system. Then you will have all sensors which you need. Then let's talk about connectivity. It has Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6 and other NFC connection, and the connectivities are also a big thumbs up. And now let's talk about the overall performance and should you buy it or not. If you are a regular user of a smartphone, you can buy it. But if you are a gamer or professional level gamer, I think you shouldn't buy the phone. And if you want to buy this phone, you have to wait till 25th of July. And let's talk one thing, the price of this phone. I have told that the price of the phone should be around 40 to 45,000, but it has confirmed that the price of the phone is 65,000, and this is not a good price. This is a very bad price, because the phone launched in India was in almost 33,000 rupees, and in Bangladesh the price of this phone is 65,000, and it is almost doubles of the price. So I don't think you should buy the phone, and the price is really not good at all, and I don't think that you should buy the phone. So the review ends here. I think you all have liked the video, and if you like it, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon. And if you won't like it, this channel is not so important that you have to subscribe it. I will come another day with another special video. Till then, stay safe and make your own world of technology. Assalamu alaikum.